Hello and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels Downsell. My name is Judd Albring and I'm going to show you how to set up a ClickFunnels Downsell. So now guys, it is super easy to add a downsell. All you're really doing is typing in some text and then linking it to the downsell. Now you can get real technical and add in a page that says downsell, create the funnel step. You don't need to do anything special. So like I said, downsell, I'm going to go to sales and then I can do one click downsell here and then add in from the various templates, okay? But don't get too caught up on that. As long as the action you want them to take is a downsell, then as long as you have a cart option in there, you're fine, a sales page option. So like see how this arrow's up? Technically that means upsell, but really this is going to be a downsell. So the way that this would work is I would go into, let me take a step back. Let me show you this from the beginning, guys. So here is the front end. This is where they opt in, and then they come to the order form, okay? So in the order form, they're going to put in all their information, okay? So they've opted in, they've decided they want this pretty necklace, they put in all their information, they say yes, send me my widgets. And that's going to take them to then this page. Okay, and this is where we're going to add our downsell. So now this is the upsell, okay? So they've just bought it, and now we're saying, and this is just a sample share template I uploaded. So now it's going to say, do you want another one for 45% off? And they've already added their credit card, so if they click this, it's automatically going to add that extra one, and then it's going to put them, add that to the cart and take them to the thank you page. They're done, okay? But if they say, no thanks, I don't need that, this is where we would add the downsell. So we would click on this, and you'd write whatever you want in here, and then here is where you're going to add your link. All right, I like to open it, whoops, come on. All right, so I'm going to add my link, right? Enter. Okay, is there a link? Yes, link for OTO. Okay, good. So it's saying one-time offer, but it's going to be a downsell. So you'll see here in a second. So this is going to take them to my downsell page, which I set up in my funnel. So if I go preview, and they say, no, thanks, I don't want that, they're going to click on this, and it's just going to take them to the other one. And what I'm going to do is say, okay, how about 35%? And they're either going to say yes or they're going to say no. So if they say yes, it's going to upsell them the discounted, which is technically the downsell. And then you say no thanks. Now you don't want to do a second downsell because people will get ticked off. When they say no thanks, I don't want to take advantage of this, then just take them to the thank you page or the confirmation page. That is it. So I hope that makes sense. So let me run this through you one more time. So they opt in here. They go to the order form here, which takes them to the one-time upsell here. Okay. And then you'll see below the upsell button is the no thanks, I don't want that, which then takes them to this second one, which is the downsell page. And then they have an option to do one more time at a little bit discount. Yes, I will take that great offer. And if they say no thanks, we do not downsell them again. We simply take them to the confirmation page, okay? Thank them for their order, that's good. So one upsell, one downsell, you're good. So technically the downsell is a second upsell, so to speak, but you're just, you're giving them a better offer. And then you take them to the confirmation page, that is it. So as long as your steps are in order and the link under the opt-in here links to the downsell, you're good to go, guys. So opt-in, order form, upsell, downsell, confirmation. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I'll put a link below. You can try it out for 14 days for free. Thanks so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.